What is going on, guys? In today's video, we are installing reverse LED bulbs. Now, what we're going to be accessing is, I believe, this panel right here, right? And then it's going to go ahead and we're going to change up one side and then leave the other side stock and then get a before and after, as always, to get a better look. But let's go ahead and use a trim remover to pop this off. All right, so let's set at our angle. Let's set the focus. All right, there we go. All right, okay. So I probably should have just pried it off here. So sorry about that. The correct way to do so, this part comes out last. There's one indentation point here to pry, and then you guys learn from my mistakes. Pry up here, take this out like so, and then this one goes last. So good thing I didn't pry from this part. If I pry from this part, it might break a tab. But other than that, it should be fine. No broken tabs. All right, guys, so from far away, here we get a closer look. The hatch is taller than my Mark 7 Golf R, so I'm not used to it. But here it is. We're going to take this right here. That's the reverse bulb. We're going to turn it counterclockwise. Right here. We're going to turn it counterclockwise. I'm going to try and do this with one hand. All right, almost there. It's hard to hold this. I need leverage, but all right, so here it is. Now I'm gonna take it out. All right, I turn it counterclockwise and then take it out, remove it. You see it? Now we're gonna remove it like so. Take it out, there you go. All right, the product we're using today is from Alla lighting. I purchased it from Amazon. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of it. Very simple, here it is. Is there perforations for me to tear? Not so much. I'm gonna use a scissor. Alla lighting, 1-year warranty. So I'm gonna cut this out. Okay, and then take this out and replace it with the bulb on top. The best way possible, well, this just comes out like so. So I'm just gonna yank it out like that. Now in replacement, we're just gonna put this back on like that. All right, so here you go. We're gonna put this right back on like that. All right. And then just turn it clockwise now. All right, we're gonna turn it clockwise. All right, it should be good. Okay, all good. All right, now we're just gonna replace this. Again, these hooks will go in like so, and then these pink tabs will go in its respective positions, and then bam, pop it in, and it should be good. All right, before I do this, I'm gonna go ahead and just test out the reverse lighting. So on the passenger side, that should be the LEDs. On the driver's side, that should be the stock. So it should be much warmer, much more yellow tone on the left side, and much more brighter, cool white on the right side. All right, guys, so that sums up our video for the Alla reverse light LED install. I hope this video was insightful and helpful. So I'm really impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this side and convert it fully to LED, but just want to give you guys a comparison between the LED and the stock one. And I think it definitely helps because it lights up even when you're reversing it. It definitely helps out. So the reason I went for these ones versus all the other options on Amazon was because of price. I got a discount, but for the most part, I think this also outputted the most lumens versus the other competitions. And that is all. So on that note, signing out. Talk to you guys in the next one. Take care.